It's okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we just had a quick lunch buffet at the Pen Cafe and Bistro. So it's located at the Greenery here in Bohol. Going to IT Park ni siya guys, na the Greenery dire. Makita niyo ang Tom and Tom's. You can see the Tom and Tom's. It's famous here, Tom and Tom's Coffee there. So it's a good location here. It's near going to the IT Park, the intersection. You're familiar with this place, it's here in the Greenery. So we had a quick buffet guys, it's just for only $299. So we are supposed to go there at Boosog but we passed by there at Katong Kwanman buffet, so we decided na why not have a buffet that we can have already complete na, diba? Na pork, na meat, I mean na chicken, na fish, then na siomai, na pancit, and of course na vegetable. So it's a complete meal. So we decided na instead of ordering karang by meal, I mean by type of food, like by ang say tawag na sudan ba? Sudan, I mean, instead of ordering it at, diba, if example we'll eat at Boosog, for example, order ta og chop suey, that will cost around mga 200 plus, diba? So cost wise I think sulit na siya guys, because you already have a complete meal. Of course, included na dito ang dessert, but wala na siya drinks. But overall, lami ang food and sa paman, of course, na siomai and kato na pork steak, na pancit, lami isa to, and of course ilang fish is tangige. So sulit ra ang fish, lami ra ang fish, and of course na po chicken and everything. It's complete at only $299. So I think it's fairly priced man, diba, for a buffet. So okay kay siya, diba? So that's it for our food vlog for today. So we'll tour around the Greenery. So more na siyang location niya guys. It's across Flame It. And you will see Tom and Tom's Coffee sa iyong front. There. Tom's Coffee and Greenery. So near siya dito sa back portion katong Pen Cafe and Bistro sa near sa parking lot, di ba? Actually when kato padung na tabi sa Boosog, it's the first cafe that you will pass by man. So mo to siya nainganyo rami sa 299 nga buffet. So that's it for a quick food vlog for today, guys. My name again is PJ. I'm from Cebu, so please comment, like, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. And if na mo yung mga recommended food place to go, please comment down below. Pretty good. Nice.